trail cam, spare rope, paracord.
There's another way to get your blood moving on a bicycle. And that's by using it as a way to reach your honey hole hunting spot.
Okay, now to make sure I don't get any straps in the spokes. I'm combining two things I absolutely love. I love bikes. They've opened up the world for me. And to incorporate bikes and bow hunting together, I mean, it's just so enjoyable. It's two things I absolutely love, and I get to do them simultaneously. I can't think of anything more enjoyable than that.
That's right, Adam Haynes hunts elk by bicycle with a bow.
Being in the bike world, having owned a bike shop for 11 years and just enjoying bikes so much and enjoying hunting and seeing where a bike can get me, it's like, why am I not putting these two together? It's just a natural fit for me. I can cover so much more ground on a bike. It opens up just a bigger terrain, a bigger area to incorporate bike and bow together. So why not do it? It just seemed natural for me. So our ride-in today was a little over 6 miles, which it was really nice, you know, relatively maintained road. And we did find a nice old logging road that definitely hasn't been maintained for probably the last 20 or so years. We're hanging a couple of trail cameras in an area that I've always wanted to hang trail cameras at, just to get more data for when I am back here bow hunting, if it's really a good spot or not. It's got all the makeup for a good elk hunting spot. Hopefully it gets all the good stuff.
A month after setting up the trail cameras, Adam was able to review the footage.
8, so 4 hours later.
And his instincts were right. His spot had game.
Cool, we got a bear. We got a bear on scene.
Along with being an avid hunter and bicyclist, Adam is an accomplished photographer and videographer. So, to ensure a noisy outdoor Idaho video crew wouldn't scare the elk away, when the season opened, Adam and a few pals went back to their spot with bikes, bows, and video cameras.
As I've been hunting more and more, that's what it's really becoming more enjoyable for me, is to have those close encounters. Even if I don't harvest, it's not all just about the harvest, it's the whole package. It's the camp experience, it's the bike ride in, it's the hard hikes with the headlamp, it's the heavy pack outs, and the close encounters are really all part of that package. Okay. And there was a cow and a bull coming across above me. And Jason was cow calling. I was cow calling. And then I finally saw it was going across, but after I cow called, it started to come down. It came down a little ways. Had everything all ready to go, and I could tell he was definitely coming my way, so waited for him to come across in front of the right tree at the right time. I let one fly, so now we're gonna try and find everything and see if everything worked out, but I'm pretty sure it did. Just seeing him go down, so we're gonna find the arrow and hopefully find our elk. It's real good. It's covered in blood. It's pretty special because
you're creating where you're going. You're creating your momentum, you're creating that energy, and you're not relying on something else to get you from A to B. You're really relying on yourself. I mean, you can go as far as you physically want to, or you don't have to. You're not reliant on any one specific vehicle to get you there. It's just you. How far do I want to go, and how much do I want to enjoy it?